Please step forward quickly, Richard. Chidinma Okonkwo. Jackson. We have the gold medal event that we're here to recognize and celebrate youth who excel in sport. May I invite ladies and gentlemen, stepping forward with a gold medal for the Federation Cup are our champions, the Rivers Angels. Federation champions, 10 minutes. Federation Cup champions, current Federation Cup champions. Let's invite the entire forward. There is grace, and grace covers you. Rivers Angels, step forward. Rivers Angels, go behind quickly. Go behind your captain. Go behind His Excellency for a quick photograph. Where's the coach? Coach, step forward. The leader of Team Rivers is also here. The Director of the Ministry of Sports, Director Honorary. Let's also have the President Federation of Talent, and she's here with the crowd. Congratulations, Rivers Angels. Congratulations. His Excellency has one more presentation to make. She's a champion in her own right. A few years back, we had Akpoti Uduaghan winning the Miss World pageant. Today, we have Miss Africa International coming from River State. Your Excellency, let's have Miss. Thank you very much. I'm here to gratitude for His Excellency as he goes back to his seat. Thank you very much. Thank you.
On behalf of government and people of Rivers State, I begin my remarks by extending our warmest congratulations to the Super Falcons of Nigeria on their outstanding victory. On the outstanding victory at the 2025 Women's World Cup, Women African Cup of Nations, WAFCON, held last Saturday in Rabat, Morocco. Winning the WAFCON for a record 10 time is a monumental achievement. It confirms that Falcons' unrivaled place in African women's football history and reflects the discipline, skill, and determination that characterize the very best of Nigerian excellence. This win does not only belong to the team, it belongs to every girl who dares to dream, every community that nurtures potential, and every Nigerian who believes in the power of resilience. The Super Falcons have set a national example. And today, as we celebrate our own sons and daughters here in Rivers State, I'm reminded that excellence knows no boundaries, only opportunity, courage, and purpose. It is therefore with this immense pride, great joy, and deep gratitude that I welcome you all to this special occasion, a day set aside to celebrate the brilliance, talent, and triumph of the young men and women of Rivers State who have continued to raise the banner of this great state with dignity, skill, and excellence on the national and international stage. We gather not merely to hand out awards or deliver citations. We gather to affirm a truth that when our youth are empowered, inspired, and given opportunity, they will not only rise, but they will soar beyond expectations. These stories we honor today are stories of resilience, courage, determination, and passion, qualities that have become the hallmark of Rivers youth. Let me state here that whatever support or monetary gift we offer today is not and can never be a true measure of your success. It is simply a symbol of our gratitude, a way of saying thank you for lifting our spirits, representing our identity, and inspiring our people. Your real reward lies in the legacy you are building and the lives you are impacting. Let me begin by extending the heartfelt congratulations of the government and people of Rivers State to our gallant contingent at the recently concluded National Sports Festival in Abeokuta tagged Gateway Games 2024. Finishing fourth overall among the very best athletes from across the country, delivering an unprecedented performance, securing a total of 199 medals comprising 76 gold, 56 silver, and 65 bronze medals. This is not just another statistic. It is a historic moment. Let it be known that this is the highest medal haul by Rivers State since we hosted the National Sports Festival in 2011. A performance that firmly places us in the league of sporting giants and reinforces our status as a breeding ground for athletic excellence. It's a declaration of strength, and it is the result of discipline, months of training, sacrifice, focus, teamwork, and unshakable belief. What more can be said for our Golden Girls, the Rivers Angels Football Club? By lifting the Nigerian President Federation Cup for a record 10th time, making them the most successful team, just like the Super Falcons. You have proven once again that Rivers women lead from the front. Am I right? Yes. Your passion, courage, and consistency have made you icons in your own right. You carry the dreams of this state and fulfill them with grace and greatness. Thank you very much. We are equally elated by the recent feat of the Rivers Hoopers basketball team, who emerged as runners-up in the 2025 Basketball African League Kalahari Conference held in Rabat, Morocco. The Hoopers were the only Nigerian basketball team to qualify for the prestigious Kalahari Conference, proudly flying the flags of both Rivers State and Nigeria. Their performance was outstanding, powerful symbol of national pride, and a clear signal that Rivers athletes remain competitive and inspiring on the global stage. And just as commendable is the sterling performance of the Rivers United Football Club, who have emerged runners-up in the Nigerian Professional Football League. By this feat, they have secured qualification for the 2025-2026 CAF Championship League, where they will once again have the opportunity to represent Nigeria and Rivers State on the African stage. We commend their tenacity and sportsmanship, and we urge them to go forward with the full support of the government and people of Rivers State. Make us proud. We believe in you. To all our athletes, let this not be the end of the road, but the start of a greater journey. Let this achievement fuel a desire to train harder, reach higher, and go further. There are more medals to be won, more records to be broken, and greater heights to attain, not just in sport, but in every sector where Rivers youths dare to lead. To our coaches, technical crew, sport administrators, Rivers State Sports Council, and the entire sports team, I want to thank you all. You have made history. You have done our state proud. And away from sports, we also celebrate our daughter, Tamunosoye Karibi-Whyte, who illuminated the continental stage by emerging Miss Africa. Joining the distinguished lineage of another iconic daughter of Rivers State, Miss Agbani Darego, who made history as the first Black woman to be crowned Miss World. Tamunosoye, your elegance, intellect, and composure remind us that technology, arts, agriculture, enterprise, or advocacy. Even if your name has not been called today, we see you, we celebrate you, and we urge you to keep putting Rivers State on the world map. To every person watching or listening today, whether you are a student, an artist, a coder, a farmer, a craftsman, or an entrepreneur, I say this to you, you too, you can rise. You too can shine, and that you too can carry the pride of Rivers State across this nation and beyond. Your potential is limitless, your dreams are valid. Your time is now. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, this celebration comes at a defining moment in our state's journey. Following the state of emergency proclaimed by His Excellency President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFR, on 18th March 2025, our administration was entrusted with the responsibility of restoring peace, inclusiveness, stability, and purposeful governance in Rivers State. One of the first pillars we chose to strengthen was youth development, because we believe that the youth are not only the foundation of peace, they are the force of transformation. We have since embarked on efforts that promote social inclusion, particularly among young people affected by years of political disaffection. We're expanding access to skill acquisition, vocational training, and entrepreneurship support, and also supporting structured engagement of youth through town hall dialogues, community-based peace initiatives, and mentorship programs. We are deliberately redirecting the enormous energy of our young people away from violence and disorder and into the constructive work of building a better Rivers State. We must acknowledge that true peace cannot be sustained without meaningful inclusion. And if the youth are left out, they become vulnerable to exploitation, either through cultism, drug and alcohol abuse, violence, and the false promises of crime. And let me be unequivocal, there is no future in violence. There is no honor in cultism, and there is no glory in drugs or gangs. To every young person hearing me today, I want to tell you, say no to these traps. Say no to those who offer shortcuts to destruction, and say yes to discipline. Say yes to growth. Say yes to your dreams. Rivers State needs you alive, not in jail, empowered, not exploited, celebrated, and not buried. We are counting on you to be tools of progress, not pawns of destruction. As a government, we remain fully committed to your progress. We will continue to invest in youth development, education, entrepreneurship, technology, skills acquisition, and sports infrastructure. Because we believe with every fiber of our conviction that when we invest in youth, we invest in the future. We will strengthen our youth policy frameworks. We will improve our support to sports councils, youth centers, and innovation hubs. And we will amplify our voices in policy making because this generation is not just the future, it is also the present. To the champions of today, to the legends of tomorrow, to the dreamers, the doers, and the risk takers, and the record breakers, we will celebrate you. You are not just the pride of Rivers State, you are the hope of Nigeria. And soon the world will know your names. Congratulations once again. And may your journey continue to be filled with victory, progress, and pride. And on the final note, I wish to sincerely thank all those who worked tirelessly to make today's celebration a success. In particular, the Secretary to the State Government, the Acting Head of Service, Permanent Secretary, Ministry of Sports, and every other official and support staff who contributed to the planning and execution of this beautiful and uplifting event. Their commitment to excellence reflects the new ethos of service in our state, and I deeply appreciate your efforts. God bless our youth, God bless Rivers State, and God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Thank you all.